Tata Bubochi Bubochi Marati ya wali ya kumazi ya kukwagi Tata Bubochi Bubochi Tata Bubochi Marati ya wali ya Egwi gama begwangu Egwangu Egwangu Do you have a birthday coming up for yourself, your child, a friend, or a loved one? Don't just say happy birthday, say it in a way they will never forget. With Mmụta you can send a personalized birthday shout-out starring your favorite character from our viral Igbo cartoons and the celebrant as a cartoon character too. Imagine their joy when they see themselves celebrating alongside Maziago and friends. It's simple. Just email the name, birthday, and a picture of the celebrant to ziem@mmutadiuto.com. Our team will transform them into a cartoon star and create a magical shout-out they can keep forever. Unique, memorable, fun, and perfect for adults and kids alike. Spots are limited, so don't wait. Order your birthday shout-out today at ziem@mmutadiuto.com and give a gift that brings smiles, laughter, and Igbo culture to life. Cordino.